Hey guys, welcome to Thatcher's tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to convert Figma design to Framer 4 tricks for Figma to Framer expert. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Figma is a versatile and user-friendly design software that allows designers to create and collaborate on digital projects like websites, mobile apps, and user interfaces. It is popular for its cloud-based platform, which enables real-time collaboration among team members even when they're working remotely. Figma provides a wide range of design tools such as vector graphics, prototyping capabilities, and interactive features, making it an essential tool for designers to visualize, test, and refine their ideas before the development. So its accessibility and collaborative features makes it a valuable asset in the modern design workflows, ensuring that design projects are efficient and effective. Now we have here is Framer. Framer is a design and prototyping tool closely related to Figma, but with a different focus. It allows designers to take static designs created in Figma and turn them into interactive and animated prototypes. Framer is especially valuable for adding functionality and real-life interactions to your designs, making it easier to demonstrate how an app or website would work in practice. By importing your Figma designs into Framer, you can create interactive user interfaces, test user experience, and even showcase your designs to stakeholders in a more dynamic way. So the connection between Framer and Figma lies in their compatibility. Figma serves as a powerful design environment for creating static design, while Framer in here complements this by offering tools to transform these designs into dynamic prototypes. Designers can export their Figma assets to Framer, maintaining a design consistency, and then use Framer to add interactive elements, animation. This integration allows a smooth transition from the design phase in Figma to the prototyping and user testing phase in Framer, enhancing the overall design and development process. Now onto this video, we will actually give you 4 tricks on converting Figma designs to Framer. So let's start with setting up auto layouts. So you'll need to head on to Figma's website for that, and then you'll need to get started for free if you don't have an account. So just simply click onto that. Now to create an account, you'll have the option to continue with Google or add in your email, password, and agree to join Figma's mailing list, and then you'll need to create account. So by clicking this create account or continue with Google, you should agree to the Figma TOS and privacy policy. And if you have an account already, just simply click onto this login button onto the bottom part. Now, right after logging in onto your Figma account, you'd be able to see your account name in here. You also have the notification bar in here. You have the design file, FigJam port, and you can import files also in here. So we're currently opening the Recents tab. You have the Your Teams, the drafts, and you could also view the different plans that Figma offers. You can see in here the favorite files and your team in here, your team project, and you can create new team and explore its community. So if you want to create your own file that you want to export onto Framer, you'll just need to simply click onto this design file. But since our main point onto this video is to transfer your Figma designs into Framer, here's what we'll need to do. We'll just need to click onto this Explore Community, or let's find different templates that we could export. So as you can see, here are the different templates that I offer. So we could use this filter in here so that we would be able to sort this one out, because there are some templates that are paid. So as you can see, we have in here all products. So we have Figma Dev Mode, FigJam, but we'll just click onto Figma. So you can see all resources in here. Just click onto that. We have paid and free. We'll simply click onto free, and then let's just add all creators. So we could use this template in here that we have. Just simply click onto that one, and you'll have the template name in here, the designer, its rating, and how many people use this one out. You could also bookmark this or save, try it out, and you have a quick review in here. Just simply click onto try it out. So for you to be able to add in the auto layout, just simply click onto this container in here. So write that, and then you'll just need to right click it, and then you'd be able to see the remove auto layout in here, since we have gone ahead and already used the auto layout feature. If you haven't used it yet, you just need to simply click onto this one in here, add in auto layout. And now as you can see, this Figma design is set up already for responsive design, ready to be exported to Framer, because you can actually just simply adjust in here the different sizes, because it is easier if you have auto layout. So just simply click onto this, and you'll have frame in here. You could adjust this one out. So here onto the auto layout, updated earlier. We have here the align top, left, center, top, right, left, center, right, bottom left, bottom center, and bottom right. So just need to simply click onto that. Let's put it onto center. And as you can see, all of them had gone onto center. So you could also change in here the horizontal padding, the vertical padding, and advanced auto layout setting. Just simply click onto that. You can see the strokes, canvas stacking, align text baselines. Now the next trick is define constraints and resizing. So you'll just need to select an element like a button or a text box. So as you can see in here onto this group that we have navigate as the button. So we'll just simply click onto that one. And then right after onto the sidebar, you'll need to head over onto frame and you'll need to have this one out in fixed width, like right that. Right after specifying the resizing option into fixed or fill in the right sidebar again, let's set the constraints here onto the bottom like center or top. So you could add it in here, center, or you could add it in here, top. This will ensure that your elements behave as expected when resizing the design. Remember, proper setup in Figma means less work in Framer. Now, as you can see, since we've done that one already, once we resize this whole group, all of these elements will behave as expected when we resize this. Now, the next thing that we'll need to do is to think about breakpoints. So this trick that we have in here is more of a mindset than a specific action. As you design in Figma, think about different breakpoints for responsiveness, start with the desktop design as your base, and plan how elements will adapt as you move to the smaller screen. Thinking about breakpoints is essential in web and app design to ensure that digital experiences adapt effectively to different device sizes such as desktops, tablet, and mobile phones. Breakpoints serves as a critical design checkpoints where layouts, fonts, and elements are adjusted to provide the best user experience on various screens. By carefully considering breakpoints during the design process, designers can anticipate how content will rearrange or scale, ensuring that information remains accessible and visually appealing across a range of devices. This thoughtful approach to responsiveness helps create a seamless and user friendly experience, making websites and apps accessible to a broader audience. Now let's go to our next trick, which is already exporting like Lego pieces. In Figma, you can select the sections or elements you want to export. So recording this matter, we'll just need to use the quick menu shortcut, which is Command or Control plus P. So we're gonna do that one in here. But if that option doesn't work onto your PC or your device, you'll just need to simply click onto this group that you want to export or the element that you want to export and just simply right click onto it. And here you'd be able to see plugins. And there is a search bar. And what you'll need to search in here is Framer. You'll just need to search for that. Then right after, you'll see this Figma to HTML with Framer, and you'll just need to run this one out. So actually, it is already loading as of the moment right now. So it is already copying the layers. And then for you to proceed, you'll just need to click the button below to copy selected layers that you want to paste into Framer. Use the desktop app to copy layers automatically. So you'll just need to simply click onto copy to clipboard. So since it is copied already, let's head onto your Framer account. You'll just need to simply log in. Now, once you're already on the dashboard, just simply click onto this new to create a new file. And then right after, just simply click onto Control V or paste or the shortcut for paste to import the layers from Figma. So as you can see in here, we have gone ahead and already imported this specific group that we have on Figma. And that's it for this tutorial. You now have 4 tricks to ensure a smooth export from Figma to Framer. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment and refine your workflow. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, hit the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you on our next video.